Hi everyone, it's Jordy from Bright Trip, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of transitional footage. Transitional footage is that footage of you going from one place to another. It links together two scenes in your travel video or whatever story you're trying to tell. For example, if you're at a lake, you're documenting your lake, it's beautiful, it's wonderful, and then you cut to a shot of you at a restaurant. It can be kind of jarring to the viewer and it can feel kind of random because there was no transition into that restaurant. Johnny explains in this lesson from our How to Document Your Trip course how to get transitional footage. So I'm going to leave it to Johnny to show you guys how to shoot this footage.
You really only need 3 shots: a wide, an up close, and a human shot.
Okay, I wanted to jump in and explain these 3 shots Johnny just mentioned. Johnny dives deeper into what these 3 shots are and the importance of them earlier in the course, but I really just wanted to give a brief explanation of what they are. A wide shot is a shot that shows the environment and sort of just sets the scene and gives the viewer context as to what this place looks like. The human shot gives context of the people in that environment. And the up close or detail shot just shows details in that environment. Okay, let's get back to Johnny.
So I'm about to get on a ferry, a perfect opportunity for transitional footage, and I'm going to show you how this is done. 3 shots, all a different type, that will be the perfect footage to link together 2 scenes in our story. Let's get on the ferry. See how easy that was? Just 3 shots that were fairly easy to get. It took me 2 minutes, and I got to enjoy the rest of the ride. That footage is going to be really helpful when we're editing together this story when we're back from our trip.
Okay, I hope that this was helpful in whatever trip or story you're choosing to document. If you're interested in learning more and seeing more from this course, head to brighttrip.com/documentyourtrip. Or if you wanted to browse our catalog of courses, you guys can head to brighttrip.com/courses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I will see you guys soon. Bye!